Alright, here's the bridge. There's the water. Got a couple of ferns hanging on there. Contrary to what might be popular belief, it does get cold in the south. Unless you live in Florida, it gets cold down here at night. Now that the sun is up, we should be getting some relief, but it's probably in between 35 and 40 degrees right now, but it's nice. As you can see, the leaves are pretty much all down now. We got a couple of trees hanging on to a leaf or two here and there. There are a couple trees back in the parking lot that actually had like 70% of their leaves, but for the most part, everything's defoliated. Alright, we got a bridge here, some water running. In fact, I hear some water up this way, and I see a piece of infrastructure there. Let's go check that out. Apparently, there's a drainage of some kind. Since it's off the trail, I'm not gonna mess with it because we got a nice leaf cover here, and I don't want to step on something that might not actually be there. And then they'll have to carry me out of this place. So let me just continue with what I was doing. So I've been through here a number of times when the leaves were on the trees, and the forest has a certain look, and when the leaves are down, it has a different look, and it actually has a different smell. I kind of like this. I like the defoliated look, these earth tones, and it just has a certain smell, and I like that also.